Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Fingers crossed. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Imagine you're waiting for the results of a job interview, and you're feeling anxious. You cross your fingers, hoping for the best. But why do you cross your fingers? The idiom "fingers crossed" means to hope for good luck or success. It originated from early Christianity, where people crossed their fingers to seek protection from evil spirits. To remember the meaning of fingers crossed, imagine crossing your fingers as a symbol of hope or wishing for good luck. Once upon a time, there was a young girl who wished to become a ballerina. She practiced every day, and her hard work paid off when she got accepted into a prestigious ballet academy. She crossed her fingers, hoping to perform well. During the audition, she danced beautifully, and in the end, she got selected. She was ecstatic, and her fingers were still crossed. Fun fact 1. The gesture of crossing fingers is also used in some countries as a sign of apology or to negate a promise. Fun fact 2. The idiom "fingers crossed" is often used in sports to wish for good luck or a win. Fun fact 3. There's a superstition that crossing your fingers while lying will negate the lie. Fact 4. The idiom "fingers crossed" is also used in the context of making a wish. Fun fact 5. In some cultures, crossing fingers is a symbol of protection against the evil eye. Example 1. I'm crossing my fingers for your success in the exam. Example 2. I hope you get the job. Fingers crossed. Example 3. I'm crossing my fingers that the weather will be good for our picnic. Example 4. Fingers crossed that we win the game. Example 5. I'm crossing my fingers that everything goes well in the meeting. Fingers crossed. I hope you enjoyed learning about this idiom. Now, it's time for a quiz. What does the idiom "fingers crossed" mean? Option 1. To cross your fingers when you're angry. Option 2. To cross your fingers when you're hoping for good luck. Option 3. To cross your fingers when you're sad. Answer: Option 2. Crossing your fingers is a symbol of hope and wishing for good luck.